Hi, I'm Jen and today I'm here with Judy Plum Wigs to show you some of the brand new wigs from the Wille Prime Power collection. These wigs are super special because they're made from a 50-50 blend of human hair and heat-friendly synthetic fibres, so you get all the benefits of human hair wigs like the longevity, ability to heat style, etc, but at a much lower price point. The wig I've got here to show you just now is the Catch Mono Wig from the Wille Prime Power collection. This one is in the shade Sandy Blonde Rooted. I am just going to flip her inside out so you can get a closer look at the cap construction. So I'm going to flip this inside out here. So you can see on the top you have a full monofilament section. This means that you can see it right through to your scalp, giving a really lifelike appearance as if the fibres are going straight out of your head. You've got a lovely little silicone strip here, which means that the wig has a little bit of extra grip on your head so it's not going to go sliding anywhere. The rest of the cap is wefted with a great stretch to it, super high quality and comfortable. You've got your little velcro elastics at the nape of the neck there so you can make sure the wig has a perfect fit, as well as the metal stays in your ear tabs there, again making sure that your wig stays in place all day long. So I'm just going to pop the wig on for you just now. I'm going to line that hairline up with my forehead, make sure all of my hair is tucked in there, flip it over. Then you're going to adjust the wig using your little ear tabs, so you're wanting them lined up with your temples there, and you're wanting to make sure that the hairline is 4 centimeters away from your eyebrows. I'm just going to check this in the mirror here. Perfect, so that is what the Catch Mono Wig looks like when it's on. Lengthwise, this fringe has about 16 centimeters in the fringe. The crown is about 30 centimeters. You've got about 20 centimeters on either side. I'm just going to do a quick little spin around it so you can see how she looks from every different angle. This wig is a super comfortable, pretty long bob. Because it is that mix between the human hair and the heat resistant synthetic fibre, you are able to style it in whatever way you want. So if you wanted to add some curls, make it completely poker straight, that is up to you. You can really get this hair sitting how you feel comfortable with it. Also as well, because of that monofilament top, you're able to change the parting anyway. So it is just a super versatile wig that is really low maintenance and easy to just throw on and wear. As I said, this is the colour Sandy Blonde Rooted. Which is a lovely sort of lighter blonde with heaps of dimension and highlights running through it, again with that slightly darker root shade just to give that really natural appearance. This wig is available in a whole range of natural colours that are all available on the Judy Plum website, so head on over to the website to check out the full range of colours available. But as I said, this is Sandy Blonde Rooted. Class. I really hope you've enjoyed learning about the Catch Mono Wig from the Wille Prime Power collection. This is a brand new wig that we are super excited to be selling over here at Judy Plum. If you are particularly interested in any of the colours, don't hesitate to get in touch and Judy Plum can order it in for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the Judy Plum YouTube channel. You can follow Judy Plum across all social media at Judy Plum, and you can find me over on Instagram at Jen's Alopecia. Don't forget to check out the other wig reviews on the Judy Plum YouTube channel and head on over to the Judy Plum website to check out the full range of wigs available at the best prices with some great customer reviews. I'll see you later.